Studies have shown that the average American spends over 5 hours a day on their phone. That's more time than we spend on many essential activities, including socializing in person. Today, we're going to share with you some practical tips on how to break free from phone addiction and regain control of your time and focus. Let's get started. Identify your triggers. To shake phone addiction, you need to start by identifying your triggers. When do you find yourself reaching for your phone? Is it the first thing you do in the morning? Or maybe when you're bored, anxious, or just waiting for something? Try keeping a journal for a few days to track when and why you use your phone. Once you know your triggers, you can start to manage them, set boundaries and limits. Next, it's crucial to set boundaries and limits. One effective way is to use your phone's built-in features to monitor your screen time and set app limits. For example, you can restrict social media usage to 30 minutes a day. Another tip is to create no phone zones. This could be your bedroom, dining table, or certain hours of the day. Out of sight, out of mind. By the way, we invite you to visit our online health product store via the link in the description to choose a reliable blood pressure monitor or other health devices. Replace phone time with healthier habits. Breaking a habit is easier when you replace it with something else. Instead of reaching for your phone, try picking up a book, going for a walk, or having a face-to-face conversation with a friend. These activities not only reduce your screen time, but also improve your overall well-being. Practice mindfulness and digital detox. Mindfulness can play a big role in curbing phone addiction. Take a moment to pause and ask yourself if you really need to check your phone right now, or if it's just a habit. And don't forget about digital detoxes. Set aside time each week where you disconnect entirely from your devices. This break can do wonders for your mental health. Remember, breaking phone addiction isn't about completely cutting out technology. It's about finding balance. By identifying your triggers, setting limits, and replacing bad habits with healthier ones, you can take back control of your life. You can do anything if you put your mind to it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a balanced, fulfilling life.